We are learning to use new and interesting vocabulary in our writing. Here are some interesting words that you might like to use in your retell of the story, 10 Little Rubber Ducks. Chuckity, chuckity, chuck. Rubber. Packed. Loaded. Cargo. Far away. Tunes. Whistles. Drift. Growl. Chatter. Glide. Screeches. Squeak.